Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with our new chapter, that is chapter number 7, Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is one of the most popular word processing program which is used for creating, formatting and saving a document. It also provides the different features such as inserting, deleting the text, spelling, grammar, bullets in numbering, insert the shapes and others. So, we will learn these concepts one by one. Now, our first topic is entering the text. Students, entering a text in Microsoft Word is very easy. What you will do, you will enter the text in the Word with the help of the keyboard. You will enter the text into the new document to create a project. What you will do, you will go on the file menu, okay? Then you will go on the new, then blank document, and then you will click on the create. You will see here a blank document will be shown on your screen. Now you will enter with the help of the keyboard. Suppose I am going to write mobile computer. So in this way you will write anything on the Microsoft Word screen. Now the next topic is editing the text. Editing the text, we have the two contents, moving and copying the text. The text in the document can be cut and copied from one location to another within the document or between the document. Suppose I have to write. Now students, see, I have written something on the Microsoft Word with the help of keyboard. Now the topic I am going to explain you is the copying the text. Student, क्या होता है, when I have to write something on the Microsoft Word, if I have written something earlier, so I want to copy and paste that. Okay, suppose this is a mobile computer and I am going to write this mobile computer here at again this place. So what you will do, you will click on this mobile computer and you will go on the copy. Okay, now you will click where you want to paste it. I am going to click this location and here I am going to paste it. And what you will do, you will click on this paste button and then first you will click the paste. Then now you will see the mobile computer is at the two places. So this is what I am going to do. This is my copy paste. So what is a copy? Copying a text means the text will remain at its original place and also appear at that place where it is pasted. So students, this is one process. Another process, we will use a shortcut key also. Suppose I am going to click this mobile computer and I am going to copy paste it. So for copy, I will be using Control C. So I will be using Control C and next I will be coming here and I am going to paste it. So I will be using the shortcut key Control V. So in this way you will see here the text is copy paste. Now the next is we have a cut paste. Cut means, move means the text will be disappear from its original location and appear at the another location where it is pasted. Cut means you are disappearing the text from the original location. Suppose I am going to delete this mobile computer from here, that is I am going to move this. So what you will do, you will click this, select this and you will click on the cut. Cut means खत्म हो जाएगा, यहाँ से delete हो जाएगा. I am going to cut it. You will see here mobile computer is deleted and where you want to keep it paste, go at that location. Now I am going to want to paste here. So what you will do, you will click on this paste and this option. So in this way your mobile computer is cut from the original location and pasted it into the another location. So this is how you will move and copy the text and paste it into the another location. Now the next topic I am going to tell you is the inserting the text in the document. Suppose students, I am going to write over here, it's mobile computer from the keyboard and I want to write here the types of mobile computer. I want to write here the types of mobile computer. So what I will do, I will be writing the mobile computer here. I am going to click at this location. Before M, I will just click it with the help of mouse. Now I will be press the space bar key. When I will press the space bar key and then I am going to write. Now I am going to write over here types. You see here my typing will start. Types of mobile computer. So in this way you will insert the text in document at any place. You have to do nothing. What you will do, you just click on the location where you write and you will type what you want to do. So students, next is updating your knowledge. To select the text using the keyboard, you will press and hold the shift key while pressing the arrow keys, and you can also press shift plus control to select the several words in a row. Okay, and the next shortcut key is hold shift plus control while pressing the right arrow key 5 times. You can select the 5 consecutive words to the right of insertion point. So these are the shortcut keys that will come into the exam. Now the next topic is deleting the text in the document. Beta, you can remove or delete the text that is no longer needed. So how you will do, suppose I am going to delete this mobile computer. You just click which word you want to delete, and after that you will press the delete key from the keyboard. Now I am going to press the delete key from the keyboard. Select the text you want to delete. Firstly select कर लेंगे with the help of mouse. I'll be selecting the text with the help of the mouse. Then I'm going to press the delete key. My text will be disappears from the keyboard, from the monitor. Now the next topic is undo feature. Now the undo feature on the quick access toolbar. Undo feature on the quick access toolbar. Yes, you will see here. Yes, you will see here, this is my undo. Okay, now what is a undo? It is used to reverse the action you take while working in the document. Students, here I am delete the mobile computer from the monitor, but you want that word again, so you will press undo from here. Now I'm going to press the undo key. जैसे ही मैंने undo key press किया, the mobile computer is again available on my monitor screen. So what is undo? When you will delete something by mistake and wants to recover that word, then we will use the undo feature, and the shortcut for the undo is Ctrl plus Z. Now student, our next topic is spelling and grammar checking. While inserting the text in Word, we might have noticed that the words underlined with the red and green color. Students, see here, I have write something on the mobile computer and there are the two words that are underlined with the red color. It's DIVIC, device, and DASKTOP. So these are some mistakes because device spelling is DE and desktop spelling is DE. So these are my spelling mistakes. So what the Microsoft Word will do, the Microsoft Word will underline the wrong words with the red line. So the red wavy line show the spelling mistakes, and there is also beta green lines. So green lines means grammatical mistakes. Again I am telling you, there are the two check, spelling and grammar check. The wrong spelled words, they are underlined with the red colors, and grammatical mistakes, they are underlined with the green color. So students, I am writing here on the mobile computer and the two spellings are wrong. What you will do, you will first go on the first word of your paragraph. I am just go here on the first paragraph. जैसे ही मैंने A पे क्लिक किया, you will go on this review tab and you will click on this spelling and grammar. When you will click on this spelling and grammar, you will see here the device spelling wrong है ना, so DIVIC, and there are some suggestions at the down. You see here, these are the suggestions. Beta, these are the suggestions. Okay, and this is the wrong word. So which you are replace DIVICE with which word? It's divide, it's devices, it's divine. I am going to replace this DIVICE with DEVICE. So you click on this change button. You will see here again there is another mistake. It's DASKTOP and suggestion is DESKTOP. Yes, so click on this change button. Okay, the spelling and grammar check is complete because there are only the two mistakes. So Microsoft Word give me a dialog box that spelling and grammar check is complete. Now after that I will click on the OK button. When you click on the OK button, you see here the spelling of device is correct and the spelling of desktop is correct. You will see here the device spelling is correct, है ना, and the desktop spellings are also correct. So students, our next topic is correct the mistake by right clicking. Students, you will see here there is again one wrong word on my monitor is computer. I have written the spelling CMPUTER, है ना. So there is one method. What you will do, you will click on the review tab, spelling and grammar, and you see here CMPUTER and computer, click on the change button and you can ignore also. जैसे ही आप ignore पे click करेंगे the spellings will not change, spellings ठीक नहीं होंगे and the spelling will remain same CMPUTER, and if you want to change the spelling will be changed with the correct one. It's COMPUTER. Now there is another method also to solve this problem. The next topic is correct a mistake by right click. Students, what you will do, you will click on this word and then right click with the help of mouse. जैसे ही आप right click करेंगे, there are the option yes, when you will right click it, see here the right click will be appears. When you will click on this right option, you can ignore also, ठीक है ना, you can ignore all, you can add to dictionary and you will see here the correct spelling. When you will click on this correct spelling, the spelling will be corrected with the correct spelling. It's COMPUTER. Okay, so see here, you will click on this suggestion to ignore the error. अगर आपको error नहीं ठीक करना है, then you can click on the ignore or ignore all button. And if you want to make the word stop, underline the word. जैसे कि आपने लिखा था CMPUTER, आपने लिखा CMPUTER, see here CMPUTER, और आपके हिसाब से according to you the spelling is correct. Okay, you will see here red spelling, red line आ गया ना. Now you will right click it and you will add to dictionary. अब देखना नहीं आया, red underline है ना. So you will add this word to the dictionary of the Microsoft Word. So in this way you will correct the mistake or you will add the word to the dictionary of Microsoft Word. Now student, our next topic is using the thesaurus. Thesaurus is a list of the words grouped together containing synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms, the word with the same meaning, and antonyms, opposite meanings. So word also provide the thesaurus, so which we can find the word to express the meanings more accurately. It helps us to increase our knowledge. Students, see here, I have written notebook is a movable computer. है ना, मूवेबल कंप्यूटर, इट्स ओके, द वर्ड मीन्स जो चीज़ मूव कर सकती है, बट हम नोटबुक को वी कैन नॉट राइट दैट नोटबुक इज अ मूवेबल कंप्यूटर. Okay, we will find something related to movable. Okay, what you will do, you will select this movable word, ठीक है, and then you will click on this review button and then you will click on the thesaurus option. Thesaurus क्या होता है? It will suggest the other word with the similar meaning to the word you have selected. Means ये movable से related आपको बहुत सारे similar words की list दिखाएगा. It will suggest you other words that can be replaceable with the movable. Now click on this thesaurus option. When you click on this thesaurus option, you will see here I am going to search for the movable and these are the related words related to movable. Okay, so movable से related word है portable. Yes, we can write that notebook is a portable computer. जैसे कि laptop जो होता है वो portable computer होता है. That means that can be taken from one place to another. बेटा desktop computer that cannot be taken from one place to another place easily, but laptop computer is a portable computer. Notebook is also a portable computer. So we will use the word portable, not a movable. So what you will do, you will click on this portable button and click on this arrow and click on this insert button. जैसे ही आप insert करेंगे, there is a word movable replaceable with the portable. So this is the topic of thesaurus. So students, try this till page number 74, okay, and send me your pics also. Thank you.